Days after Congress and All India United Democratic Front stitched an alliance in poll-bound Assam, Assam's Finance Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has called the AIUDF chief and MP Badruddin Ajmal an enemy of Assam. He also accused Badruddin of bringing money from different fundamentalist organizations in name of social service to create a network that was not conducive of Assam culture. Sarma also proclaimed himself an extremist when it comes to protecting Indian and Assamese culture and vowed to protect the country from anti-national elements. His remarks came on a day when Congress MP Rahul Gandhi addressed his maiden rally in Assam's Sivasagar.
I'll not say as an individual, but as an institution, or what Badruddin Ajmal is represent. That is probably this is the most dangerous phase of Assam politics. He is bringing money from the fundamentalist organization in the name of social service. He is creating a network which is not conductive from Assam culture. So I think not as an individual, but as a symbol of certain people, they are the enemy of us.
Prema Rajaram, reporting from Kolkata, is now joining us for the very latest. Prema, walk our viewers through the acquisition coming in vis-a-vis Badruddin from the Bharatiya Janata Party ahead of the Assam Assembly polls.
Well, ahead of the Assam Assembly polls, we can see that the fight for the 126-member Assembly is heating up, with Himanta Biswa Sarma making these allegations against Badruddin Ajmal, saying that he is somebody who is dangerous to the Assamese culture and that is not conducive for Assam. Also, that he says that if Himanta Biswa Sarma himself is being seen as someone who's an extremist, he's happy to be called that, because he feels that he is the messiah for Assam, who can protect not just the culture in Assam, but also protect Indian culture. And he looks at Badruddin Ajmal as somebody who is the enemy of Assam. So very strong words coming in there from Sarma, but also Sarma going on to say that Badruddin Ajmal is helping fundamentalist organizations with getting in money into Assam, and that is also dangerous for Assamese culture. So definitely somewhere BJP is looking at identity politics and the politics of religionalism, as Sarma has put it, and saying that it is about protecting the culture and also protecting the people of Assam. Back to you, Chetri.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.